Hi everyone, you are welcome to Gadgets and Modern Space channel. Please subscribe my channel and like share.
හොඳයි යාළුවනේ, සියලු දෙනාම Gadgets and Modern Space channel එකට සාදරයෙන් පිළිගන්නවා. ඉතින් මම ඔයාලට අදත් ගෙනව ලස්සන gadget වලින් සමන්විත වීඩියෝවක්. ඉතින් ඔයාලා මේ වීඩියෝට කැමති නම් like කරන්න, share කරන්න, comment කරන්න. මගේ channel එක subscribe කරලා තියාගන්න. සියලු දෙනාටම සුබ දවසක්. ජය වේවා.
The Pearl Suite. Mobile Floating Suite. Pierpaolo Lazzarini's mobile floating suite concept swirls into the seaside hospitality market. Constantly expanding his collection of innovative watercraft concepts, Pierpaolo Lazzarini unveils Pearl Suite, a floating unit designed to revolutionize the seaside hospitality market. Designed for Italian mobility brand Jet Capsule, the Pearl Suite measures 7 m in diameter, offering up to 22 sqm of interior space as well as a walkable external deck. The concept is targeted to both existing and future beach resorts, providing them with the opportunity to expand their number of rooms in a matter of weeks, with zero carbon footprint, zero infrastructures, and at a very low implementation cost. The Pearl Suite concept by Pierpaolo Lazzarini. Various modules can be added to form a small floating community. What's more, since the suites are 100% solar powered, they are capable of self-producing all the needed energy for air conditioning, lighting, fridge propulsion, and other appliances. Meanwhile, the available storage in the hull can offer the possibility to locate additional power sources and systems. The suites can be equipped with a gyroscope stabilizer system or a fuel cell hydrogen generator in order to produce energy on board, ensuring functionality even on rainy days. The 22 sqm interior features a kitchen, a toilet room, and a transformable bedroom/studio. Thanks you Gadgets and Modern Space channel. Minis Jet Capsule. Jet Capsule packs Italian lifestyle in their new only 5-meter-long mini jet. Italian company Jet Capsule releases their new mini jet, a tiny 5,000 mm x 2,700 mm yacht with a capability of 5 people while berthed. The boat can be transformed by removing the rigid carbon fiber roof, letting passengers enjoy a more extremal cruising. Small in size but heavy in power, Jet Capsule's device will be available in 4 variants: 315 HP petrol, 260 HP diesel, 160 HP electric, or a hybrid system capable of coupling the petrol to an auxiliary 80 HP power unit. Respectively, the maximum speed will be of 45 knots, 35 knots, and 25 knots. The Jet Capsule comes with colorful underwater and interior lights, which add to the alien feel of the vessel, and a sun pad on the roof, accessible via a steel ladder. Lazzarini design always had a flair for the dramatic, and this Jet Capsule fits the bill just perfectly. It's quite basic inside but delivers decent performance, and comes with a silhouette that's bound to get all eyes on you no matter what. Here are some videos of Jet Capsule models, set to dramatic music and with overly dramatic editing. People are supposed to be enticed to pay up to $250,000 for them. It makes sense. Jet Capsule plans to start production after 10 orders will be placed, with a retail price for the first edition set of $69,000. Thanks you Gadgets and Modern Space channel.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, ooh, I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.